Video, I will show you how to add text to existing PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro without any stress. Let me show you how. Take a look at this particular existing PDF file right here. You can decide to edit or add different text entirely to some of the PDF in your Adobe Acrobat. So what you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the Alt tool right here. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to Edit PDF. And then here you go. Then you have different tools right here. So what we want to do here is to see how we can add text right here. Now you can see this text here. We can drag it. We can as well resize this text right here. I can decide to adjust the text size right here. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as this is concerned. And at the same time, I can decide to delete the complete text right here and add a new text. So for that, we want to make sure we come to this text right here. So once you click on text, you have different text formats as the case may be. You have crop image. You have all tools like font, color, alignment as the case may be. So I'm going to click on here now to start adding text. Just draw your text box right here. So once you draw your text box, depends on the number of text you want to add. So you can now start to type the new text box, just like so. You can move to the next paragraph and then type in whatever you want to type in your text box right here in Acrobat, just like so. Now you can as well format your text. Press Ctrl A to select everything. You can come to the tool right here. You can increase the font size, and then if you find out that the font size is much, you can simply scale down a little bit. So I can make it 24. Everything depends on what you can adjust the text box right here. You can adjust the text box. So we can come back right here and make it 30 and just like so. So we can as well make it all caps, just like so. You can see all first letter in caps right here. We can make it italics. We can remove the italics. Then we can do all different things right here. We can also work on the spacing right here. We can make it just one spacing, or better still, we can as well make it 1.4 spacing right here, and you can change the text color right here to another color, just like so. And then we can as well come to the font style right here. We can choose different font style right here, just like so. Once you are satisfied, then you are good to go. The next thing we want to do here is to go back to our move tool right here. Then we can position the text in the right way that we want it to be, like so. Then we can adjust the text box right here until we are able to satisfy with the kind of result we are looking at, just like so. So once you are satisfied, you can as well drag and reposition your text box, just like so. You can reposition your text box. Everything depends on where you want it to be, just like so. You can Ctrl A again and increase the text size right here. Just drag, just like so, and then I can reposition, adjust the text box down below a little bit. So text box, I can drag the text box down below a little bit, just like so. And then you are done. Once you are satisfied with the results, then you can export your PDF format as the case may be. Just adjust everything and you are done. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply add text box or text to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.